So now in this video we are going to see how to remove the top cover. We must have seen how to remove the puncture valve and suction valve. That is the first thing that you have to do. Of course you follow all the safety measures as I said earlier. Close the fuel oil, close the control air, stop cord, do not start, close the starting air valve, open the indicator cock, engage the turning air, everything. So after doing all these things, first for the top cover removal you have to be very specific of carrying out your job. Read the manual as I say always. So now you have to use a proper tool to remove the top cover holding nuts. So basically if you have any facility to do the job when you are running in MGO, that will be far better, because when you do it while you are using VLSFO, the temperature is usually more than 100, so it is a little not so okay condition, but it is obviously we can do it, not issue, but provided if you have any chances when you go to some region where you are using LSMGO and you have enough due time for this particular job, you can consider that. Okay, so now our team is doing the work and we had removed all the nuts, and okay, so all the nuts are removed from place, and we are removing the bolts for installing the lifting tool of top cover. So these are the two bolts that we need to remove, and CC puncture valve is removed and suction valve is removed. Both are outside. It is kept safe, and we will change it anyway. And okay, so now going back to top cover region. So yeah, okay, enough of showing this puncture valve. Puncture valve is not in a good condition, means it is due to change. Okay, so now we are fixing the tool like it is a bolt actually. So all we need to do is you have to just first try it out, and you can use it like a jack for lifting the top cover. So basically what we need to do is you have to ensure the thread for bolting is good, clear of anything. So just that is what we are doing, the check, just make sure it is all okay. So it is now okay only. So now you have to bolt down both the bolt, and you can see the top cover is slowly jacked up. You have to be doing this job equally. Equal tightening of both the bolts are very necessary. That is the main thing that we need to do, and that is what we are doing now. Okay, you can see the top cover is slowly coming up. So if it is coming up, then it is a very good sign that your top cover is not stuck. So that is one good news, because sometimes what happens is some top cover get stuck, it don't come up only. So sometime we need to remove the entire housing of the fuel pump. That will be a really nightmare to do, but okay, until unless everything is okay, then no problem. If you get stuck in any of some time, you will just get problematic, and the time duration will keep on going, and mainly you will get what do you say, time consuming, and you have to do some jugaad to take this thing out. So now in this case it is everything is okay. So next, coming back, the tool, this is the tool that we are going to fit to lift the top cover. Okay, so the tool is being fixed, tightened. So okay, so we are tightening it. Okay, so this is the tool that you need to fix for lifting the cover. So make sure this tool is properly handled, because if you are not using this tool properly, there are chances that this tool can get stuck or it can get damaged. So okay, so now we are fixing the tool in place. In this case we are not going to lift the plunger out. The middle part is the one which we usually fix with the plunger, so that the plunger also comes up. And now we are not going to fix the plunger, we just only remove the top cover. So I make sure everything is okay, and I do give space for lifting the top cover. So use the chain block along with the engine room crane and you can lift it. Okay, now the thing is fixed. The next is we have to tighten. So now what I do is, the earlier thing that I showed is when you want to lift along with the plunger. Now in this tool doesn't allow to remove the plunger, just only lift the top cover. So I hope you understand why I changed the tool. So again, fix the proper lifting device and then hook it up along with the engine room crane and lift it very slowly. So I think you can imagine the difference between the last tool and this tool. Last tool is to lift along with the plunger, this tool only with the top cover. Okay, only it lifts the top cover. So when you are lifting the top cover, lift it very slowly. That is what we are doing now. Don't be in a hurry to lift it. Keep the crane straight and lift it very slowly. So we are lifting it now. Okay, it is coming up. Very nice, baby. Yeah, when it comes up, that means your 50% of the job is completed, because most of the time we get stuck with removing the top cover because of the enormous amount of sludge get accumulated in the top cover portion, and that will not allow the top cover to come out easily. So okay, now we had lifted it, and okay, it is removed properly, and keep it safely. So bottom you have to keep it somewhere safely. Okay, that is what we are doing now. Keep it down, remove the tool, lower it and remove the tool.